Hi guys, in another video by MTech Pro, Google's divisive new design direction for its in-house smartphone lineup. You have to admit the search giant has managed to build a lot more buzz around this year's unconventional Pixel 6 and 6 Pro already, without even trying, than 2020's terribly boring Pixel 5. The three-tone design, pretty much etched in stone by more than one reliable tipster, is obviously just one piece of an increasingly intriguing puzzle, with a whole bunch of camera upgrades, and an entirely new chipset also making a number of headlines lately. Although Big G is expected to develop the so-called white Apple SoC itself, in order to reduce its reliance on Qualcomm, which supplies almost every single Android handset vendor with low, mid, and high-end Snapdragon processors nowadays, Samsung will definitely be involved in the chip's manufacturing process. As such, it makes perfect sense for this frugal and powerful 5nm based white Apple platform to pair an unknown CPU with the Mali G78 GPU. If that latter part happens to ring a bell, it might be because that's the same exact ARM-based graphics processing unit used on Samsung's Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, and S21 Ultra outside of the US, and a couple of other key markets. In other words, that's a main component of the Exynos 2100 SoC powering the international Galaxy S21 family, which further suggests the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro could take on the very best phones available today in terms of everything from camera capabilities to raw speed and graphics performance. We're talking 6.4 and 6.7-inch high-end, or at least high-end-ish, devices set to be made available in a number of eye-catching color combinations at some point in the fall. Naturally, it's essentially impossible to make any sort of educated guesses on pricing until we hear more about Google's first custom, Samsung-made, chipset. Although if the curved Pixel 6 Pro does end up featuring a triple rear-facing camera system including a 50-megapixel primary shooter, and some kind of a periscope lens, as well as a 120Hz screen with Quad HD resolution, 5000 mAh battery capacity, in-display fingerprint recognition technology, and Wave 5G support, we'll count ourselves lucky if Google manages to keep the starting price at $1,200. Thanks for watching everybody, see you in another video.